doing, Cass? Are they kind of crazy? I know. Is it a little crazy? Uh-huh. And what were they doing? What were they doing?
Hi, Mama.
Are they so nutsy? Huh? Do you like your snack? What's going on? What's going on? Okay, Cass. Cass.
Mama.
Just a minute, I'm talking to Cass. Can you talk to me? Yes, me. Can you tell me all about your day? Yes? Who was that? Was that Hadley? Uh-huh. And Grady? Uh-huh. Where's Asa? Asa's sleeping. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Were you sleeping too? Cass. Cass. Cash. I know, they're going crazy. Are they going crazy? They are just going crazy. Hey. You like that picture. Hey. I love you. Hey, 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 hey. Say, I love you. Hey, say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Hey. 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 Bye-bye. Hadley? Uh-huh. What are they doing, huh? Whoa. Say, excuse me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.